Okay, now I'm at the terminal penumpang Sungai Pinang. This is in SPK Pangkor. I'm staying here for one night in the kampong. It's a fishing village. And this is the jetty. It's no more in use now. But you can still see some boats and all that hanging around. Still some guys. A lot of fishing boats around here. But they don't use this jetty anymore. All this is the fishing boats. And this is a fishing kampong. The village, fishing village. There are boats coming in now, unloading the catch. But they don't use this jetty anymore. Used to be, now no more. But it's still around. But only thing is not used. I don't know why. They closed it off, sort of. You know? But I'm sure people can get through there. Over there they got some fishing guys. The boat going out now. Going out for fishing at night. Yeah, it's quite a big fishing boat. Going for a big catch. Yeah, all those guys are going out there. There's a big boat. Big fishing boat. It's a nice boat. They build the boats here also. There's a shipyard here that they build. They hand build, they hand carve the wood and all the things. These boats are built here on this island, Pangkor. It costs around, from what I heard, it costs around 2 million ringgit, Malaysian ringgit, to build one of these boats. Everything complete. 2 million Malaysian ringgit. rarely go. They're going out for night fishing. Now it's 5 p.m. 5 p.m. So they'll come back in the morning lah, early morning. With big cats, I'm sure. I hope for them. I hope. The waves are rocking the jetty. It's a floating jetty over here. Don't know why they don't use it anymore. But these are the boats. And they live on the boat. Some guys are living on the boat, you know. And totally livable. Big boats. And over there is a kampong built over the water, you know. Most of these guys staying here are fishermen themselves. Nice having a house here. You need a boat also. This is the Lumut Jet. Sorry, this is the Pangkor, and they call it Sungai Pinang Kecil. Some guys are sitting out here. Where you see some people are chilling out here, you know, at their home playing mahjong and all that. You know, typical Chinese kampong, you know, but fishing village, Chinese fishing village. Most of them are Chinese, but there are Malays working here too. But staying here mostly Chinese. This is my right. Not bad. The old bike was still working. Still pretty good. You know, does the job. I got it for about, took it for a week. Actually 8 days. And I got it for 200 ringgit. So that's a good deal. You know, some guys here renting out the bikes for 80 ringgit, 50 ringgit, 80 ringgit a day. You know, I got this for 200 ringgit for 8 days. So that works out to around pretty cheap. Okay, so this is the last look at the jetty, the old jetty. Now I'm staying in they call it SPK, SPK village. It's a fishing village on Pangkor Island. It's a nice place, quiet, typical Chinese, but very friendly. They are very friendly. Here people are very friendly. Most people, mostly that I've encountered, they are so friendly. So no worries, you can stay here anytime. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to see my other videos on Pangkor. I'll be doing some more, a lot more actually.